Today we are going to fact check of 2021 Honda Trail 125. Welcome to the Motorcycle TV. Here you get fastest updates about motorcycles. One step better than Honda's Super Cub, the 2021 Honda Trail 125, ABS goes from casual urban excursions to off-pavement adventures seamlessly. At first glance, the 2021 Honda Trail 125 is a dead ringer for the Trail 110, last produced for the US market in 1986. Honda did an admirable job of preserving the look of the original Trail CT series motorcycles while sneaking in modern conveniences that no one except a Luddite would turn down. That appeals to both our aesthetic and practical sensibilities. The 31.5-inch seat height might be intimidating on paper, but the Honda Trail looks shorter in person. The riding position is welcoming and familiar to anyone who's ridden a bicycle. Electric starting and electronic fuel injection are improvements to the original Trail series bikes. The adventure-style IRC GP5 tires are a perfect match for the Trail 125's on and off-road duties. The Trail 125 has disc brakes, plus ABS right in its name. The engagement at the front lever is appropriately soft and will not catch anyone out. A firm squeeze returns enough stopping power for the speeds the 259-pound motorcycle will reach. The ABS is front wheel only, which makes sense on an off-road capable motorcycle, as there are times when you will want to lock up the rear wheel. The rear brake also has a soft engagement, and I found it useful in conjunction with the front. With its semi-automatic transmission, the 2021 Honda Trail 125 is about as unintimidating as a scooter. The heel-toe shifter is easier to learn for a first-time rider than for those of us who have been shifting a lever for years. The Honda Trail 125's toothier rear sprocket gives it better low and mid-range pull than the Super Cub. The Trail 125's suspension is uncomplicated, yet capable. There are also no ride modes or traction control to enhance the riding experience. With a 1.4-gallon fuel tank, the Honda Trail 125 is ready for whatever adventure you have planned.